Today I will be showing you how to set up the wing positions on the Speedstyle FLS Mark II. The FLS uses the NEP Lite PCB as its main controller. The wing positions must be set up on both the main and secondary columns, as well as all three wing positions for each. That is fully open entry, fully open exit and the closed or home position. Before you start, make sure you always have a copy of the operation and maintenance manual to hand. First, the cladding must be removed from the lower half of the column. Access to the NEP light board is restricted, but the board must not be pulled out to work on. This will interfere with the movement of the glass wing. For safety reasons, it is better to power off the column you will not be working on. Power must be on to set the positions on the column you will need to set up first. To start, press button S4, which is roughly located in the centre of the board. Immediately after, press button S2, found on the bottom row of push buttons. You will note the blue LED will blink faster. Leave for a few seconds and then press button S1. This will rotate the wing clockwise. You can toggle or press and hold the button to move the wing. Fully open the wing until you hear it hit its limit, then back it off using button S3 a few degrees. The reason for this is if you leave it on the limit, it will be noisy and destructive to the unit over time. Once you have finished the first position, press button 2 to store the setting. Next, press button 4 to rotate the wing anti-clockwise. Stop in the centre of the unit. The closed position is very important to get correct as it is very visual to clients if incorrect. It's always helpful to get a second person to check this for you. Once you have finished the position, press S2 to store the setting. Again, press button 4 to rotate anti-clockwise to the next open position. Here it is very difficult to hit the limit as your arm will physically interrupt the full rotation. Once you have finalised the first position, press button 2 to store the setting. To finish off, press button 4 to reset and power cycle. Then repeat the process on the other column.